and my husband will come and pick one. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video I'm going to show you a fall makeup look inspired by your favorite things about fall. This is the second video of my 4 seasons makeup series. For the first video I have done something inspired by my favorite thing about fall. I will have a card here if you want to see that video. I have no idea what I'm going to do for today's video because it will be inspired by your favorite things. We can also use Instagram for this makeup series, so if you have a favorite jacket you can take a picture and use hashtag makeup4seasons and also tag me at Vasilikis beauty tips, and I will know that you want to be a part of the 4 seasons makeup series. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite thing about fall, and also share this video with a friend that likes fall makeup looks. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In this black pouch here I have all of the inspiration ideas and your favorite things about fall, and my husband will come and pick one. We have baking! This is not very specific. The same person also told me that likes carrot cakes. So most likely I will do a makeup look inspired by a carrot cake. I was so scared. Someone told me horror films and I didn't know what I was going to do. So I am happy that my husband picked baking. For today's makeup look I want to use again this palette here, and I think I have all the colors that I need for a carrot cake makeup look. Give this video a thumbs up if you also like carrot cakes. With brush 239 by MAC I'm taking eyeshadow every day and I apply it on my brow bone. After that I take the brush 221 by Zoeva and eyeshadow Cookie Dough and I apply it into my crease. Tap the excess off. This eyeshadow has kickback. And also blend it towards the brow bone. After that I will take a white eye pencil. This is by Essence and I got it in the Essence Advent Calendar. I will have a card here if you want to see what other products I have got. I will use a white pencil as a base because I want to apply on the center of my eyelid a very bright orange eyeshadow, and I want it to be very vibrant. And you can look straight into your mirror and basically you apply it where your iris is, and you just try to keep it on the center of the eyelid. You can also use a white creamy eyeshadow or a white gel eyeliner, or if you have a white eye pencil, whatever you have that you can use as a base. After that, just blend it very lightly with your finger. And very lightly blend it. As you can see, I almost touch my skin. You don't want to stretch your skin. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow Sweet and Sour and I will apply it on the center of my eyelid. Now the color, as you can see, it is more opaque and very vibrant. And also bring it into the crease. Blend the edges very lightly. I will apply one more layer to make it even more opaque. Okay, that looks super fantastic. And I don't have any fallouts. Thumbs up! With brush 239 by MAC, I take eyeshadow Brownies and I apply it on the outer third of my eyelid and also in the inner third of my eyelid to create the halo eye effect. To make the color more opaque, just press it on your eyes. And very lightly blend the two colors together. If you lost the intensity of the orange eyeshadow, just apply a little bit more on the center and again blend the edges. With a clean brush, this is 217 by MAC, I just blended the crease of my eye so I can have very blurred edges. With a smaller brush, this is by Essence, the 2-in-1 color correcting and contouring brush, and I will take again eyeshadow brownies and I will apply one more time to intensify the yellow eye effect. I love this combination. Now, as we can see, my eyes look completely droopy here and hooded, so I need to do something on this area. I will take the same brush, this is 217 by MAC, and I will take again cookie dough to blend the edges and to give a base for the next darker colors that I'm going to apply into my crease. I'm going back and forth into my crease, and I also bring it a little bit higher, but I don't want to bring it very high up into the brow bone. With a BH Cosmetics brush number 7, I take eyeshadow chocolate orange and I apply it into the outer crease of my eyes. And tilt your head back so you can see your crease easier. After that, I take this small brush. This is the double-ended brush that I got in the Nocturnal Shadow box. I will use the small smudging brush that we have, and I will take eyeshadow brownies and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. Also blend it into the outer third of the eyelid. I clean my brush on a tissue and I take eyeshadow chocolate orange and I blend the edges of the lower lash line. And I always prefer smaller brushes for the lower lash line so I can have more control and you don't stretch your eyes very much with a smaller brush. So if you want to prevent some fine lines, use smaller brushes. I ended up using 3 eyeshadows in my inner corner to have this effect here. So I will start with Eyeshadow Infinity from the Extra Spice palette. This eyeshadow is very chunky and I don't like it for the inner corner. After that, I have applied this eyeshadow, Long Lasting eyeshadow in the color 30, Dinner and Blanc. This is a Prêt Lumière eyeshadow by Catrice. After that, I will take this creamy eyeshadow that we have from the Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. I will also apply it on my brow bone. This is me trying to find a frosty eyeshadow for this eye look. I was opening palettes and palettes and palettes and I ended up using 3 eyeshadows. I apply black eye pencil into my waterline. For my eyeliner, I will use Liquid Liner by Catrice Cosmetics in the color Dating Joe Black. For mascara, I will use this one by Maybelline. This is Total Temptation and this is waterproof. This is the first time that I use this mascara. It defines the lashes very nice. Oh, it smells something. Coconut! It smells nice. So I want to use again this mascara without eyeliner so I can see exactly how it looks. To contour my face, I will use this little palette by Makeup Revolution. This is the Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in Ultra Fair C01. And I will take this contouring shade here with the brush 109 by MAC and I will apply it on my cheekbones. I will also apply it on my forehead. With the same brush, I will also contour my nose. And I bring it into my brows. With L Brush by Zerva Cosmetics, I will take the blush that we have here, and this one has a satin finish. I want to see how it will blend on my skin. It's not very visible and I don't like that it is satin. I will apply this one by Catrice Cosmetics. It is Golden Coral Blush Box. This blush intensifies my texture that I have, my pores. Also it gives a shiny golden finish that I don't like. With brush E40 by Sigma, I take the highlighting shade and I apply it on top of my cheekbones. I think this doesn't apply very nice. It looks like patchy. This palette is very confusing to me. If we have a golden coral shade, it will look nicer with a light champagne highlighter instead of a frosty pink. I don't like the highlighter and the blush together. The blush is not my favorite finish. For lipstick, I will use the Velvet Matte Lipstick by Essence in the color Donuts Go Nuts. So creamy. This is what I have done with your baking inspiration today, and I like it. Let me know if you also liked this makeup look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments what is your favorite thing about fall. And next month you will get into the pouch here, and maybe I will do something inspired by your favorite thing. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!